I won't be such a diva. We'll just stick to 2 outfits, you know? Whoops. But I'm really excited about today's outfit. Sing your heart out. La la la. Alrighty, shall we? Are we ready to start?
BTS begins.
Yes, exactly. Like, I'm very scared that I've forgotten how to sing. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I can still sing. That's cool. Super excited. Oh my gosh, we're working on a very exciting project, and this is the setup today. It's pretty fancy schmancy. Thanks, Dom, who's behind the camera. This is, I feel like a movie star. Yeah. So for one day, I'm going to be a movie star. Action! Du-du-du-du. I just hit the keyboard and it actually went, anyway. So we just finished filming a really important project. Here's Dom.
So important.
The 7-day vocal transformation challenge. And I thought it was going to take like literally at least half the day.
We smashed it.
We smashed it, Dom.
Absolutely smashed it.
Just like smashed it.
Go team.
Oh, yeah. So we're just relaxing now. Actually, we've got lunch cooking in the oven. It's smelling pretty good, if I say so myself. So, Dom, you joined the Songbird Tree probably, was it in July or August?
Yeah, July. I think it was started July that you reached out and we got started and everything.
Yeah. So I want to know, what's been the favourite thing about, coming on board the Songbird Tree?
Non-seriously, probably seeing all your bloopers. Super fun to see all the little mess-ups. Not mess-ups, but...
There are a lot... Okay, I'm just going to have to come clean. There are lots of mess-ups. Heaps. Many a time where I'm like, that sucked. I need to do that again.
Kerri's like, sorry. We'll go again. It's all good. It's fun. And then serious answer. Just like getting to watch you do something that you're really passionate about. Yeah, no, it's lovely to see when someone's doing what they love. You can tell just the energy they bring, the excitement, and just the way you carry yourself. So it's really nice to see you doing something that you love. I know you've mentioned before in one of your interviews that you said you went back to the corporate world.
Yes.
And then you decided to really go for this again. So I think you're blessing all the songbirds out there, but also yourself to do something that you love. So it's nice to see.
Aw, thanks. That was really lovely. Well, I've got a serious question for you.
Here we go. Let's go. Hit me with it.
You've edited what? At least 50 of my videos by now? Or something like that. I don't know. It's been a big amount. All right, let's just say a lot of videos. Can you sing now?
You had an interview recently where Dr. Dan said everyone can sing.
Everyone can sing. It's the truth.
Now, do I want others to hear me? No. Shower is fine. Car is fine. Nobody around. The tips are amazing. Yeah. But I don't think that I have that gift personally. So, no, still can't sing.
Come on, Dom. I'm disappointed. I mean, seriously, every single week you sit there and you watch me teach how to sing, like again and again and again, because you're editing it.
I feel more confident about not being able to sing. Like, I know that I can't sing. But yeah, no, I can't do it.
Look, disclaimer, he doesn't do the exercises, he's just editing me, so.
Oh, I would kill my voice if I tried.
I really doubt that, Dom.
Because I would do it wrong. Because I need a coach like you to help me work through it, etc.
Right, well, anytime, you know, right? Anytime, indeed. And today was really fun, hey? Like, we literally smashed out, as we just said, like multiple videos in like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and we thought it was going to take us at least half the day. Man, such a good feeling.
It's amazing feeling, but I think it's also because you said before you prepared really well. So number one lesson, prepare. Prepare.
Dom's taking over.
That's it.
He's teaching the lesson.
All right, songbirds. This is what we're gonna do.
Love it.
I'm not on this side of the camera, guys. I can't do it.
I think you do really well.
Thank you.
I actually think you're amazing on this side of the camera. I'm actually starting to think, how can I get Dom teaching some of the lessons next year?
This is the real reason I'm here, right?
And there goes the timer.
Food is ready.
Ooh, lunchtime. Here we go. Oh, yeah. This is the chicken curry peanut tray bake. Look at that.
Amazing.
It is delicious and healthy. Well, I hope it is. I'm kind of building it up now, but. Are you ready to eat lunch, Dom?
I'm ready for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever.
There are some other itty bitty pieces that I've got to add because, you know, anything that you want to just fancify a little bit, you put a bit of spring onion and coriander. Yes, I am a singing teacher. I'm not a cook. But this dish, I know. And you have a sprinkling of crushed peanuts. Just saying. There's a tip for you there.
Hand crushed or pre-crushed?
Hand crushed. I literally used my ice cream scoop and I just went. So that's the way to do it. That's the professional tip that I have for everyone today. All right, so you wanna come in closer? All right, so these are the chicken pieces that have been marinated in a beautiful Thai massaman curry sauce. I know, and look at these like pumpkins, they're very tender. At least they look tender, I'm hoping they are.
As long as it looks good, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters for the camera.
That's it. We'll just suffer later.
So like when you eat later and you're like, ugh, we'll just cut that out, okay? Deal. All right, beautiful. I really hope you like this. Just bear in mind, I'm a vocal coach. I'm not a cook.
I'm an editor. I'm not a professional taster or someone who's on this side of the screen. So
All right, I'm so glad you're not a food critic.
I think we're good.
Okay, all right, let's go.
Want to do the honors?
Do the honors? Like
have the first bite.
Oh, okay. I'm scared now.
No
Sure.
pressure.
All right, we're just cutting into the chicken. It's cooked.
You have to
Phew.
describe it. The chicken
The
is
chicken
soft.
is succulent and tender. Yep.
All right, I'm gonna have a bite too. Let's do this.
You know what? It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
If I say so myself. Yep.
How many times have you made this dish? It's the
Few
first time.
times.
Few times.
Few times. Is it good? Are you just saying that?
No. This is the truth. It's really nice.
Yeah?
It's really nice.
Okay. Phew. You do not know how nervous I was.
More nervous than the filming, or
More nervous.
Okay.
Definitely more nervous than the filming. Remember, I'm not a cook.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Because my taste buds say otherwise.
Yay. Oh, I'm so happy, Dom. You have no idea. Don't forget to click the link to sign up now. Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.